I have got one opportunity already to be a speaker of this house. I'm the acting speaker today, and I don't want to continue to hold this position. So I've told my party that I am not in the race for the post of speaker.
किती स्पीकर पोस्ट थोड़ी है
No, it's not like that. Speaker means you have to be very neutral. You cannot take up issues of Goans, issues of general public. You can only call the government officers and tell them to get works done. You cannot raise issues in the assembly. You cannot raise issues outside the assembly. You cannot raise issues to the media also, which affect the people of Goa. और कितें तरी जे घडपाक जाय वो घडोंक रॉंग घडलेलें आहा आनी तें करेक्शन बसून करपाक जाय जाल्यार यू कॅनॉट ब्रिंग एन इश्यू सो स्पीकर इज अ न्यूट्रल पोजिशन वेन यू एज्यूम द ऑफिस यू हॅव टू बी न्यूट्रल टू एवरी वन सो दॅट पोजिशन वी कॅनॉट टेक इट let the senior most member of the house have this position who is due for retirement.